Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make good mojito updated. Start by gathering fresh mint, limes, white rum, cane sugar or simple syrup, and sparkling water. Measure ingredients and prepare ice so the drink mixes quickly. I'll guide you through muddling, balancing sweet and sour, and choosing the right ice and glassware. Follow along for tips that deliver a crisp, refreshing mojito every time. For the best mojito textures, start by placing mint and sugar in the glass and muddle gently to bloom the oils but not shred leaves. Add lime juice and white rum, then fill with crushed ice for rapid chilling. Give a few gentle stirs to combine flavors, then top with sparkling water for effervescence. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity as needed to suit your preference. Small choices make big differences with mojitos, like using fresh squeezed lime and a touch of raw cane sugar for richer flavor. Try tearing a few mint leaves between your palms before garnishing to boost aroma. If you prefer a lighter drink, reduce rum slightly and add more sparkling water. Experiment with fruit infusions like muddled berries for seasonal twists while keeping the core balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.